Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard, grouping videos in Premiere Pro. How do we do it? I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, it's real simple. I have two videos here, or two images, it doesn't matter. Just hover over them both, select them both, and press right click, and then press group. Okay, now they're grouped. They're going to move around together no matter what you do. Okay, and to ungroup them, right click again, and press ungroup, funnily enough. Now before you go, I will answer a very common question. So this is, you might be asking, why is this similar to nesting, or why is this different to nesting? Nesting turns both of these clips into one, okay, whereas grouping is just going to link them together for a little while. Okay, so you can't really unnest, or you can, but not as easy as you can ungroup. Okay, so that is grouping. Right click, press group. Ungroup, right click, press ungroup. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.